There we go.
Flying rocket ship.
That's rocket ship that's flying.
Ganda naman yan, blue.
Papa likes blue. What's your favorite color?
Blue.
Eh, wala yung blue.
What are you doing? What are you doing with your fingers?
I made a mess.
Oh, you made a mess.
You
Oh.
made a mistake.
You made a mistake.
Nak, di ko ganito kapili.
I made a mistake.
Oh, you made a mistake.
That's why I did made a mistake of your
Paano
feet.
ganahan ko yun mo?
Look at the mess.
Dayo, baya iyan.
Okay,
Ipakita
you
na ka mo. Di mo pila nito.
Stop, you're gonna get this.
Nang lang naman sa pato. Ito geto pa. Kanak sa kudo na ako. Kung ano do kanaan. Ay, sobrang na magamit. Hindi magpalit
Oh
ako
my
na.
god. This is what happened to your feet. This is too hard.
Why?
That's why your feet so big.
Dito ba yung ako? Black na blue.
Ah!
Ba nito kay Kasha? Yung ipalitan siya. Oo, Kasha siguro. Kasha na ano? Oo, pero lang na ipagamit ko. Di alanganin magpalit kasi alang lang. Mas alang na ano.
Am I beautiful now? Because I have a cutics.
Wait for that shit. I'm
Kailan
not your
ang
blood.
price?
Ew, what's this? It looks like disgusting slime.
Why? Why you put the disgusting slime on my feet?
It's even this look. It's literally.
Can you paint his body? Can you paint his back?
No.
No, that's even paper.
No, it doesn't, bro.
Pwede kayo mga presiyan?
This is made of makeup. Oh, it's the dumi. This thing
You
is
just color it and just you're just gonna wait for
Is it
tomorrow.
done? Oh, there's one more. One more finger.
different.
Nag-order siya ng beige. Black
Right, can you hold this?
Lag naman
You
ako.
hold this with your
Maluwag
feet.
pero
You
pwede
give
na.
it, you put it in.
No, Gray.
Hey, my plane has no
Are you
color.
done?
With that shit by it's too dirty.
Hi.
That's right, that little dirt.
Bawa yan buka ng mga anong isa ba taas si bagang ino mo. Sakto dayon lang. Kaya taas isa ba hindi na ko
It messed to my hand.
Ayun eh, black.
Oh, yes.
Ano size mo? Size 28.
They're perfect. I didn't.
Ah, 38. 38.
Oh, no, it's not good.
38 lang. Ayaw na pag
There we go, pa.
Wow, they're pretty.
But it's dirty.
Thank you.
Let's went to the bed.
Why you put it in the bed?
I don't know, that's a mistake. No, that's what you said for the baba.
Sapatos sa una, magtrabaho ako.
Which one?
Pa!